Hey Brutus, why is Tony always playing with those heavy thingies? He ain't playing, he's exercising. That's how you talk to ghosts? You're thinking exorcism. Exercise is when you lift heavy stuff to get bigger and stronger. That works. More or less, yeah. Wow, all that exorcism is really paying off. Sure is. Wowie. No Pixie, that's not how it works. What? I didn't even say anything. Done. This is a big old juicy one. Yoink. Hey. Finders weepers, stealers keepers. That is not how the saying goes, and you know it. Yoink. Splat. Well, at least I got my lunch back. Yoink. Oh come on. D. Too easy. Dude, stop. Don't eat him. Why not? He's easy prey. He's the main protagonist, you idiot. Get your head in the game. First you gotta do a dramatic jump scare. Good. Now let him run away. Hey now, slow down hotshot. Ugh, but he's so slow. I could catch him so easily. Just keep pace, and make sure to stumble over every obstacle along the way. Oh drat, I have tripped. Now you're getting it. Hey, isn't that the money-hungry villain? Are we allowed to eat him? Oh yes, he must perish. Brutus, look what my eyes do when I shine light on them. D. Pretty cool, right? Very cool. Wanna see something else cool they can do? Yeah. Sit on that shelf over there. Click. Okay, now what? Pretty cool, right? Very cool. Well, good morning breakfast. Actually, my name's Twig. Oh, I see. Yeah dude, I was trying to be witty, but yeah kinda ruined it. This looks like a job for my intimidation display. Scree. Guy. Yeah, that's right, tough guy, scrap. Oh, hey Roxy, yeah see me scare off that punk? He was scared of me, you idiot. Sure, whatever ya say, babe. I'm not your girlfriend, you snaggletooth moron. That's what they'll say. Wowie, what a shiny lamp. Holy moly. I'm the all-powerful genie. I shall grant 3 wishes to thou who hast summoned me. I wish for 100 wishes. Yeah, can't wish for more wishes. I wish that I could. Sigh, fair enough. I wish to be a dinosaur. Rah. Do I really have to sit in this bucket? You mean magic lamp? Right. Yes, you are bound to the magic lamp for all of eternity. But don't worry, I'll use my 100th wish to set you free. I wish you'd do it sooner. Alright, ready or not, here I come. Hee, me win for sure this time. Yeah, gotta be kidding me. Oh, found you. Let's just let you go win this time. He'll never learn if people take it easy on him. Oh come on, he's got a huge disadvantage, literally. How can you expect him to win at hide and seek when he's twice the size of everyone else? I suppose you got a point. And what about her? Oh, Lala, she has no excuse, she's just an idiot. Brutus, I feel kinda weird. Weird how? I feel kinda kinda like a marketable plushie. Looks like you got a bad case of merchanditis. Is it up page? What? Oh, you mean contagious? You are Chad Pikeman. And you must be Ann Perchkins. You look scrumptious, my darling. Okay. You look nothing like your pictures. Hehe, well, the lighting in here isn't ideal. Right, the lighting. That's what it is. Not cool, dude. Ugh, why do people only care about looks? Nice guys like me never even get a chant. Oh, that's a keeper. Ding. Click. Oh. Look, Mr. Ingalls. Another spaceship. I keep telling you, Lala, those are not spaceships. They are commercial airliners. That one in particular appears to be a Boeing 747. First flown in 1969. It has a maximum capacity of... Oh boy, here we go. No, not a 747. What? 747s have 4 jet engines. This one's a twinjet. Only has 2. No way. Ah, you were wrong about something. Well, you thought it was a spaceship. Yes, but I'm not a know-it-all smarty pants here. You are. Or at least you were. Turns out you're a big dummy, just like me. I'm seriously going to scratch you if you don't let this go. Us. Oh man. Thanks for the ride, dude. Huh. Yeah, I'm exhausted. You're really saving me a long walk home. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. You can just drop me off right down here. Oh, okay, sure. Oh yeah, man. You're a real pal. No problem, buddy. See ya later. Yeah, see ya. Oh, you tricked me. Honestly cannot believe that worked. There's something strange about this dirt stain. Ornito. That's snow dirt stain. It's a human cave painting of a mammoth. Ya know what? This dirt stain looks just like a mammoth. I literally just said that. Haha, that one looks like you when ya got that log stuck on your beak. What the? They saw that? Ugh, that was so embarrassing. Wow, and this one looks just like my cousin Snag. Chomped off tail and all. Didn't you say Snack has been missing for a while? Yeah, why, have ya seen him? 1, 2, 3. Hee hee. 39. 40. Alright, ready or not, here I come. Hee hee, Brutus will never find me. I look just like a pile of leaves. It's the perfect camel floss. It's camouflage. Wah, you found me already? Well, leaves don't usually talk out loud to themselves about how much they look like leaves. Oh, right. Also, yeah, didn't cover your butt. Darn it.